Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Here we go. My laptop was a little bit slow booting up some software I use, actually QuickBooks, which I use, and I was just like, let's go guys, get this thing booted up. So I thought more memory might make it run faster. This is an Acer. Whoops, let me show you. It came with 4 gigabytes. Sorry, I'm using one hand for the camera. And there. I wanted to show you which one it is. It's the ES1-572-31KW Aspire. Okay? So, 2 screws there, and then you pry it off. It's got like a little thing where you can get your finger, or I use this. This is actually really good for prying that off. That's the thing you use to remove staples. Make sure the power's off, obviously. And here's the memory I bought. It should be a match. I did my research online to match it up. It's new memory. And I've got a slot, so it's going to be 4 plus 4 equals 8. I think I'm going to use 2 hands to get this in. Okay, guys and gals, hold on. Okay, it goes on like not quite a 45-degree angle, but maybe a 35-degree angle. You stick it in there, and then you press down on each end to clip it. So clip, clip, and that's it. Hard, huh? Anyway, before I put that cover back on, I'm going to flip it over and turn it on and see if I can register all 8 gigabytes. Actually, I think it has an interlock. It's probably that little bitty switch right there. And you see that right there presses on it, so that I can't turn it on unless I put that panel back. Okay, there we go. That was it. Froggy was right. So, boy, I got a lot of glare there. Let me fix that glare. And let's see how this bad boy boots up. Oh, all right, well, I mean, that's not too bad. I hit enter and get rid of that little fun screen and get my password in there. All right, here we go. Now, I could have put 2 sticks of 8/8 for 16. Would have cost more money, obviously, but for what I use this laptop for, I don't think I need 16 gigabytes of memory. All right. Now I want to see if it's reading that. So let me do a little thing here. And there it is. And this is Task Manager. And under memory, I've got 1.5 using out of 7.9. So I know I got my new memories in there. And I ran that diagnostics and it's all good. So I will try booting up my QuickBooks and see if that's any faster. Not going to bore you guys and gals with that. Give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe more to Froggy if you want more of my videos, mostly automotive, but then I put up any other random thing that I think people might find interesting. And happy 4th of July coming up in a few days. See you guys and gals. Remember what 4th of July was about. Freedom for this country.